Let's talk about drinking after your prostate surgery. So all you need to be aware that alcohol is not going to affect you the same way that it did before. I'm not talking about mentally or anything like that. I'm talking about as far as your urinary tract is concerned, like how quickly you have to go to the restroom and how that affects down there. So what I did is that for the most part, I only drank water for about 2 to 3 months. I didn't drink anything else just because I didn't know how I was going to react. I would recommend that if you're going to have drinks, that you have them first at your house so that you'll know exactly how it is that they're going to affect you. You need to be aware, though, that you may find yourself in social settings where you're going to have drinks. I would recommend that if at all possible, that if you are going out to a social setting to have drinks, that you wear the big pad. Have the drinks at your house at first, and you have to go to the restroom immediately. Your restroom, your house, you can get in there. Please be aware that if you are in a social setting, you may have to wait. It may not be a circumstance where you can go directly into the restroom. So in my particular case, if I have 2 beers, I'm good. The third beer and if even to the four is all I'm doing. But if I get to the third or fourth beer, I'm going to have to go to the restroom a lot. But it took me a long time to have a hard liquor mixed drink circumstance. My first time, it took me about a year before I even decided to do that. And it was bourbon, straight. And I wasn't really sure how I was going to react. I knew when I first drank it, I was like, oh, it's not that bad. And then afterwards, I was like, oh, okay. So I see what's going on here. But just understand that you need to make sure. Like I said, keep those pads in the car because you never know when those social circumstances are going to go. You don't want to be in a circumstance where you're like, hey, man, I'm going to have a couple beers. Oh, man, I wish I had one of those. Discreetly keep them somewhere. Your trunk, in your with your car wash kit in the back, something. And if you feel like you need to hide them, whatever the case may be. The longer you can wait, the better off I believe you'll be. So, if you have to have that drink, I understand. I'm not here to tell you what you should and shouldn't do. But if you can wait, make sure you give everything down there a chance to heal up. The surgery and everything incorporated with that so that your system can get back to normal